Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Health Talk with Nitika. Today we are going to break the myths about cold and cough. So let us know, cold happens actually when heat or vayu dosh increases in our body, and cough happens when pitta dosh or acidity increases in our body. So we are going to know a lot of solutions today how to get rid of this cold and cough from our body very easily. So when cold or cough happens, we feel energy loss. So if we wear red color, then we feel energetic throughout the day because red color is the chakra in us. If you know about the root chakra, and there are many foods to eat which can help in cooling our body and remove cold and cough. So during cold, should drink coconut water. Yes, so we may drink coconut water, fennel seeds water, soaked few hours or overnight, and other foods like bottle gourd or petha, cucumber, corn katira. We might just chew them or even soak them in the water and drink it. Mint leaves and or other foods which are very cool for the stomach, and few seeds like pumpkin seeds or sabza seeds, and non-acidic cool fruits also like water chestnut, ice apple, muskmelon, and many more. So, and during cough, there is something called muleti. We can just take it inside our mouth and roll it in our mouth for a few couple of hours. That really helps in calming the cough. Even the coriander seeds are amazing for removing the cough dosha, which is actually acidity. Or on the throat, we can just eat something, eat a blue food, or chew a blue candy, roll it inside our mouth for making our throat chakra, which is blue in color, very strong. And the first and the foremost, it's the most important and easiest thing. If we do kunjal niti in the morning and take out all the acidity or gargle, it is amazing for cough.